Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix DualSense controller touchpad not working in 2026. So first of all, you need to check the in-game touchpad support. Not all the games use the touchpad fully, so it may seem like it's not working even when it is. So you need to open a different game that supports touchpad like Astro's Playroom. After that, you need to test the swipe and the click functions. If it works there, the issue is game specific. Now, if the issue still persists, you can just simply try our second method, in which you just have to simply restart your controller. For that, you just have to first of all turn off your PS5. After that, you need to press and hold the PS5 button and wait for 10 seconds. Then you just have to basically turn your PS5 back on and try reconnecting the controller. If the issue still persists, you can basically reset the internal errors. For that, you just have to turn off the controller. After that, you need to locate the reset hole, which is going to be over here. Now use a pin in order to press and hold that particular hole for about 10 to 15 seconds. Connect the controller to PS5 using USB cable. Then press the PS5 button in order to pair it again. So you can try these methods and see if the DualSense controller touchpad is working again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.